Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to use Gemini for Google Sheets. So guys, first one is just simply go to google.com and search for Google Workspace Market and just simply click on the first one. And after that, just simply use the search bar and just simply search for Gemini AI. And after that, you should be able to see here the Google Sheet icon. Just simply click on that and make sure to install it. And once you install it, guys, just simply go for the extensions and you should be able to see here AI for Sheets, and you will have here multiple options. So the first one you will have here use Gemini formulas. So click on that. And from here on the right side, you should be able to see here multiple formulas. So when you click on expand over here, you should be able to see here the examples of how it will look, and you can just simply copy this code over here, and from there you should be able to use that formula. And same thing with the others, and you will have here multiple categories. You will have for writing, you will have for images and PDF, and for researching as well, and for classifications. So now another one is just simply go ahead and click on this play icon over here, and after that it will redirect you
I
to a
love
YouTube link.
Monday.com.
And after that, guys, you should be able to see a tutorial on how to do this formula. Now, another one is just simply go ahead and go to the extension again and go for the AI sheet, and you will have here the full sheet analysis. And from here, it will be the same process. And from here, you can just simply select a sheet. And after that, you will have multiple options. You can write a data analysis report with insight, identify the top performing items or category, or create a SWOT analysis. And you can ask question as well over here. And you should be able to use the Gemini for Google Sheet. And you can just simply explore and use the AI to its full potential. There you go. See ya.